Welcome back to a new video, people. Today I'm walking to the boat graveyard at Pin Mill, and we've had a bit of ice and a bit of snow recently. It's very cold today, so I'm hoping there's still a little bit left, and I just want to see if it gives it a different look on camera, because I've never been here when it snowed or had a big frost. Got my drone with me. Let's hope a bird doesn't attack at this time, hey? Now, one of the reasons why I love coming down here so much is if you just listen to this. Peace and quiet, silence, no one else around. It's just nice. It's nice to look around. So, oh my god, we got another boat wreck. That wasn't there last time I came. We've got another shipwreck. Now there is a little bit of frost left, as you can see. We'll go and have a look around. There's no frost on these ones. There's a little bit on this one, but yeah, it's most of it's come off now, but that's fine. It's still gonna be a very nice video. Right, I'm feeling brave. I'm actually going to try and get in this blue one this time, shall we? Let's see how the floor is first, before we do anything. Yeah, that's solid still. And here we go. This is inside it. So I imagine that's where the steering wheel would have been. And look, there's still some old flowery sort of like tiles here. Interesting. Now this one has completely fallen apart now. You used to be able, let's have a look, shall we? Oh, you can almost, yeah, you can still get a nice photo through here. It's just fallen apart more. I'm gonna do that now. Right, we're heading to one of the boats over here that does have some frost on it. Look at that. Go and have a little bit of a closer look if my shoes allow me. And this is inside it. I think just round here, just around there, you've got some old parts in there still. Right, I'm going to set the drone up. I'm going to set a time lapse up as well of this place, so I hope you enjoy that whilst I'm flying the drone. Now every time I come here, someone in the comments always points this out. Do I look like I give a... That's the name of the boat. So the tide's slowly coming in now. That's the drone shots done. I think I'm going to end the video. I mean, there's not much else I can do here. I just hope you've enjoyed it. I've got some really nice flying around the boats, and yeah, I think it's one of my best ones. There's one thing I want to say though. I mention it every time. This boat gets more and more destroyed every time I come. And it used to be for sale. Now it's just RIP. Poor little red boat. If you've enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, please subscribe. I do quite a few abandoned videos and exploring videos. Not just abandoned, picturesque, and yeah, it's just fun. But one thing, whilst you're down here, come and check out the pub, Button Oyster. Good food. I'll be going there in a minute. Catch you all later.